की जाएंगे।
बिल्कुल, अभी हमें इस्लामाबाद जाना है जहाँ पर वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना इशाक़ दार इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Social welfare. The sustainable development of Islamic finance offers considerable benefits for economic growth. Islamic finance can significantly contribute to economic development given its direct linkage to physical assets and the real economy. I would throw a new idea on this, rather an important thought of mine. In my opinion, it deters the artificial leveraging of the financial facilities without having backed by the real assets and ultimately leading to the market's crash and global financial crisis. You may recall Black Monday. You may recall 2007-8 economic crisis, because the leveraging is without the asset backing. The fundamental principle of the Islamic finance is it has to be backed by a real asset. Otherwise, so that means it deters for the borrower to speculate and to borrow without having a tangible backing, which is obviously the security for the lender. So I would say a few words about landscape of the global finance industry. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the Islamic Finance Development Report 2022, there are 1,679 Islamic financial institutions, including 560 Islamic banks operating in 76 countries with a total asset size of 4 trillion and with year-on-year growth of 17%. Overall, Islamic Finance Development Indicators, IFDI, projects the global Islamic finance industry to grow to $5.9 trillion by 2026 from US $4 trillion in 2021, mainly driven by its biggest segments, Islamic banks and Sukuk. For the Islamic finance industry, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa and Jordan seem to be on the top. We are thriving hard to significantly enhance Pakistan's share, and I'm confident that with the help of all of you and His Excellency and the professionals and the technical experts, we will be able to achieve this objective, inshallah. On the knowledge indicator, Indonesia and Malaysia rank first with its widespread efforts on both education and research. Saudi Arabia stands, according to my information, third, followed by Bahrain and Pakistan. In South Asia, 2 of the 10 microfinance banks are in Pakistan, alhamdulillah, which have started offering Islamic services. Few words about Islamic financial system in Pakistan as of now. Pakistan has a strategic plan in place to develop Islamic finance. This subject is very close to my heart. In the last tenure, I tried my best. If you recall, we introduced in the country a system, and a very high-powered committee in State Bank of Pakistan in 2013-2017, and it did give dividends. According to the data provided to me by Honorable Governor State Bank, almost 21% of the banking sector has already been converted into Islamic banking due to those efforts, and obviously they continue to be undertaken. Pakistan has a strategic plan in place to develop, as I said, Islamic finance. We have also developed a national financial inclusion strategy that encompasses many of the areas required to develop Islamic finance. Pakistan is one of the few countries with a well-developed regulatory framework for microfinance institutions. And I must compliment both regulators. The State Bank of Pakistan and the Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan are doing a wonderful job in this regard. Pakistan has a comprehensive system of zakat collection and distribution at both the private and the public levels. The Islamic financial service industry within the regulatory purview of the SECP consists of Islamic institutions like Mudarbas, Takaful operators, Islamic non-banking financial institutions, Sharia-compliant businesses, and Sharia advisors. Ladies and gentlemen, the size of the Islamic finance industry in Pakistan is estimated to have surpassed $42 billion in 2022, and assets and deposits stand at Pak rupees 7.2 trillion and 5.2 trillion respectively. Assets of Islamic Bank.
इस वक्त आप ये इस्लामाबाद से मनाजर देख रहे हैं जहाँ पर वज़ीर ख़जाना इशाक़ डार इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं और ये इस्लामिक बैंकिंग की तकरीब है जिससे वो खिताब कर रहे हैं। इस हवाले से उन्होंने बात करते हुए कहा है कि कॉन्फ्रेंस मुल्क में जो मुस्तकबिल है इस्लामिक बैंकिंग के निज़ाम का उसको बेहतर बनाने में मदद देगा और गुर्बत पर काबू पाने में भी मदद मिल सकती है। और अब हमें ज़मीन से जाना है सितारों पर।